There's another one.
Glasses.
We'll get him in just a second. We have to roll over and sit up, okay?
No, this is a driver.
Ready to roll over?
GS14 up with that.
Okay, let's roll over. Stand up. Sit up first. There we go. 1, 2, 3 up. There you go.
Put in my car and I'll drive him over.
Cool. Yeah, what else do you have in your pocket?
Mine is over there in parking lot. Okay, I'll take him over there.
You need a ride back?
Do you know where you, right through here is where you kind of drop the flashlight?
It's on that parking lot.
I'm not getting back.
Oh, in the parking lot?
It's not a cane. They got someone else on the other side of Walgreens. There's a book belt. Let's go to Walgreens.
There you go, shit.
Yeah.
Hey, put me on camera real quick. 5 seconds, 4-9, you already know. Police out here fucked well.
Yeah.
If I see any marks, I'm calling my lawyer on that bitch. Make sure you get his badge number real quick. 'Cause if I see any marks, I'm calling the lawyer on that bitch. No fingers in between. Make sure you record that shit. Make sure you get his badge number because I'm calling the lawyer on that bitch. I didn't see enough room on them handcuffs and shit. Nigga, I'm lit. I'm about to run that shit back because he voted for Trump in this bitch.
You think we're friends or something, man?
Information around this shit. I can't wait till
Fuck the police, man. You think you're fucking special because you know my fucking name, dude? I know your name too, Diaz. I know all about you too, homie.
They racist around this shit. That's why the Mexicans just gonna take that shit while they shooting up shit. I can't wait to
Think
hear
knowing
about
my
that
name
shit.
makes us
We
cool
gonna
and shit or what,
celebrate
man?
if They take one of y'all niggas out quick.
You think that scares me or something? Is that an intimidation tactic? That shit don't scare me, man. You're fucking cops. You should know my fucking name, dude. Diaz. I'll be posting your info up. You too. You too, Chunky. Later, Piglet. Hey, man, can you run a mile, dude? I fucking doubt it, man. These probably fucking dudes are getting away, man. You need to train these fools, man. Why don't you take these fools to the fucking gym, man?
This person's been here for the minute. Well, they were.
Take your homies to the gym, man. They need to fucking lose some weight.
Bye, Oscar. You too.